This is code.org. Let's see what we're up to. Predict key down. See if you can predict how the key down block works. You will not write any code. Do this. Read the program carefully, make a prediction about what will happen when you press the spacebar, write it in the box below, be specific. So, keep in mind guys, when you write something, the second you hit run, you can't change it. It is submitted to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, it is submitted to me. Also, I'm going to talk through this code and we're going to look at it together. Plagiarism is a thing. You found this on the internet, your teacher will too. If you're my student, I will too. Make sure you're using your own words. Plagiarism's not acceptable. All right, while the program is running, press the spacebar. Okay, let's look at the program though, because first we got to predict. So I'm just, all right, draw loop. So right away I know this runs 30 times a second because the draw loop runs, well, 30 times a second. Background white. Okay, so we're blanking out the background with white. Text aligned center center. Interesting. So we're centering some type of text and we're making it size 100. Then we're going to draw the text or write the text. And the text will be key down space. At 200, 200. So what are we putting on the screen? Something that says key down space. So let's think about this. What are we putting? Well, it's key down and then what's in quote space. Interesting. So what this should do then is we're saying key down space. Are we making the key go down? No, the key is a physical thing. So what could be happening there? Well, this is not in quotes over here. So this isn't a string. It's actually going to be a method or a function, an internal one. And what it should be doing is checking that. So if we're saying key down and then space in quotes, what we hope to be doing, key down block works. Make a prediction what will happen when you press the spacebar. Well, we've already seen a lot of true-false stuff with computers. Computers respond true or false. Booleans, right? Well, if computers are going to respond true-false, and if I'm saying key down space and it looks like a function, I bet that this is checking if the key down, what key down? If this space key is possibly down. So if I'm putting that on the screen, how do computers respond to all questions? Basically true-false. So if I'm saying make this text and then I'm asking, hey computer, is the space key down? I bet the text will be the computer's response, which would be true or false, right? That's all computers can say. So the text will be an answer to our key down question. So and again, this is my words, not yours. What I'm assuming is knowing that computers use true, false to respond, I assume that the key down space block is checking if the space key is down, is pressed maybe. This would allow us to perform actions based on keyboard input, such as like make a character jump. Let's give it a try. Okay, so it's false right now, key down. Space key, no, yes, yes. And so every time I'm hitting space key, it's true. And then let go, false. Cool, I can't wait to see what we do with this. Onward.